Sometimes late at night I sit awake as he is snoring. While he's lost in chainsaw dreams, I can't help but think about violence in my heart. Certain thoughts cross my mind, like if he never wakes up in the morning, would there be any doubt the way I feel about chainsaws in the dark? If my roommate never wakes, maybe I wouldn't go crazy. I told him more than once before, and maybe I could sleep on the floor if he wasn't breathing. And just a pillow to the face and a little force, I'd say, may bring my sorrow and misery to an end. How about? God damn, shut the fuck up before I smother the fuck out of you. Ugh. I'm telling you, it's like, God fucking damn. Ugh. Fuck.